Updating your address with Verizon is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your information is current. Step 1. Log into your account. Before changing your settings, use the s.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, look for the account or profile section. This is usually found in the main menu or under your account overview. Step 3. Select Update Address. In the account settings, find the option labeled Update Address or Edit Address. Click on this option to proceed. Step 4. Enter your new address. Fill in your new address details in the provided fields. Make sure to double check for accuracy to avoid any issues. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new address, look for a Save or Submit button. Click it to confirm your changes, and you should receive a confirmation message. Make sure to check your email for any confirmation from Verizon regarding the update. Keeping your address current ensures you receive important communications and services without interruption.